SUAPP AIR Edit Mode History. When we render a picture, we can enter the edit mode if we want to modify it. Paint the parts that need to be modified. After we redraw the image, we can slide to see the changes. Editing steps diagram on the left side of the interface. If we are not satisfied with the first redraw result, we can return to the previous step. It's the steps before redrawing. We can change the style. Create. If satisfied, we can continue with other operations. We can return to the previous step at any time and modify it to our satisfaction. All operations will be recorded on the left. Then click Save in the upper left corner.